to GPAT GAN. So today's video is going to be a very important video for your admission in the Master of Pharmacy in the University Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, that is the Punjab University, UIPS Punjab University. This is different from the Punjab University Patiala or the Central University of Punjab. So it is a very confusing thing that among of this, the UIPS Punjab is the best one. Okay, rest of them are also good, but this is a very good institute on the point of your admission and also the placement point of view. This is also a very important institution, and if you are GPAT qualified, you can get the admission here based on some circumstances. So regarding the form filling up that is started here from the 15th of June 2026, and we are talking about the form fill up and everything regarding this institution today. The categories, the form filling up process, the fee structure, the courses and everything. So this is the mission vision of this university. You can go through that, or we are directly going for the admission notice. So 15th of June, the admission notice was there. That is the MPharm admission link for the session 2026-27. So after opening that, you are getting this link, and if you are going for this link to be opened, and we are opening the link, and this is the thing for your admission. ओके तो ये कह रहा है कि the steps to follow. Firstly you go to the login portion. ओके, तो login के वहां पे जाके आपको मिलेगा कि कैसे register करना है, because it is your first time, and for your registration you go there, click the registration, and आपको देना है आपका नाम, email ID, मोबाइल नंबर, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, एपीसी आईडी, जो कि आपका प्रीवियस जो यूनिवर्सिटी है बीफार्म वाला, तो वहां पे मिलेगा, और डीजी लॉकर में भी लॉगिन करके आप लोग देख सकते हो हाउ टू provide that ABC ID or the academic banks of credit ID, and give your captcha and submit. After that your ID is formed. Your ID will be provided to your email or mobile number also, and from that application ID you can log in here. Okay, so for the login ID and password also you will be provided with. So captcha देके आपको sign in करने से आपका form fill up का page open हो जाएगा. Now what are the details for your admission? तो क्या क्या details चाहिए होगा आपको admission के लिए, वो है ये सारी details. तो ये जो enter the personal information, the candidate's name, father mother name, date of birth, other relevant details, ये है आपका personal information जो आपका लॉगिन करने के बाद जो पेज ओपन होगा वहाँ पे पहले आपका नाम, आपका पेरेंट्स का डिटेल्स एंड the date of birth and other relevant details you have to provide. Enter the academic qualification details, the roll number, passing year, percentage or marks for each qualification from class 10 onwards. So this line is very important for your UIPS Punjab University. Why? क्योंकि यही एक मतलब वन एंड ओनली इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया आई थिंक जहाँ पे आपका जो एमफार्म होता है वहाँ पे ये आपको खुद एक मेरिट स्कोर देगा. किस बेसिस पे? 70% आपका क्रेडिट होगा फ्रॉम योर जीपैट क्वालिफिकेशन मार्क्स, एंड आपका 30% होगा बी फार्म का जो एग्रीगेटेड मार्क्स है उसके परसेंटेज के बेसिस पे. So that total 100% is not your GPAT only. This institute will provide you a merit score that will be based on the aggregated percentage of BPharm. जो आपको BPharm में जो भी CGPA और जो भी परसेंटेज मिला है उससे 30% एंड आपका GPAT का जो स्कोर है उससे 70% लेके इस यूनिवर्सिटी आपको एक मेरिट स्कोर देगा, जो कि आपको दिखाई देगा आफ्टर 21st of July, जो कि है यहाँ का लास्ट डेट तो मेरिट लिस्ट निकालने के बाद वहां पे ही आपको मेरिट स्कोर दिख जाएगा एंड लाइक दैट आपको यूआईपीएस पंजाब का जो मेरिट लिस्ट है वहां पे आपका रैंक भी मिलेगा. तो on basis of that you can go for the counseling after the merit list is declared and the dates are there for your counseling. So that percentage of marks are really important for this university. And the other relevant points and that are very important, that is the category. For the category for your Punjab University, यहाँ पे जो अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स पे होता है कि आपका एक अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी होता है, दैट इज जनरल, एंड रिजर्व कैटेगरी जो भी है वो सब होता है. बट यहाँ पे जनरल में भी आपको बहुत सारे कैटेगरीज देखने को मिलेगा, जो कि है आपका सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड कैटेगरी होता है, आपका रूरल एरिया का कैटेगरी होता है, और आपको अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल है आपका घर पे, तो आपका जो आईडी होगा स्पेशली वो वाला सर्टिफिकेट आप शो कर सकते हो. ऐसे करके एयरफोर्स वाला अलग होता है एक कैटेगरी. तो आपका अगर है कोई घर पे तो आप वैसे भी मतलब एक कैटेगरी पे आते हो, तो आपको मल्टीपल नंबर ऑफ कैटेगरीज यहाँ पे मिलेगा. एंड इफ यू आर एलिजिबल एट दैट कैटेगरीज यू कैन प्रोसीड टू दैट. तो आपको आपके पास अगर सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह जो भी है एलिजिबिलिटी का, ऐसे आप एक स्पेशल कैटेगरी से अगर बिलोंग करते हो तो आपको वो प्रोफॉर्मा पे मिल जाएगा एंड आपको वो करके यहाँ पे सबमिट करना होगा इफ यू अप्लाई थ्रू एनी ऑफ दोज कैटेगरीज. तो आपको फॉर्म फिलअप के बाद ही दिख जाएगा कि क्या क्या कैटेगरी है. आप अगर उनमें से किसी में भी अप्लाई करना चाहते हो तो आप जो लास्ट डेट है दैट इज जुलाई 21, उसके पहले अपना सर्टिफिकेट बना के यहाँ पे अपलोड कर सकते हो. एंड देयर आर रियली हाई चांसेस ऑफ पीपल विद अ डिसेंट जीपैट रैंक टू get into UIPS Punjab University through these categories because they have the eligible certificates and they belong to that categories. So there is a high chance of uh, admission of taking admission here through that categories if you are genuinely eligible then. Okay, so this is one important point. And select weightage also in CCNSS. If you are eligible then go apply through that. And select courses you want to apply. Of course you have to select courses. And another point is regarding courses, if you are applying for one single courses, like if you are applying for only employment pharmacology or pharmaceutics, then for that one subject it will be considered as the fee will be 300 will be charged, and the fees are of course non-refundable and non-transferable. So for admission in two courses, like if you are going to take if you are going to fill the form with two subjects that are the pharmaceutics or pharmacognosy or pharmacology, like that two subjects, the charge will be, or the fees of the form fill up will be 400. For 3 courses it will be 500, for 4 courses it will be 600, and candidates intending to apply for more than 4 courses required to submit additional fee of 300. Okay, like for admission in 5 courses 900 will be charged, for 6 courses 1000 will be charged, like that. And 50% concession to SC, ST and PWD candidates in application fee. So this is the fee providing system for the UIPS Punjab University formula. And after checking, so upload the scanned photograph, signature, all documents corresponding to qualification and category as prompted. After checking all details carefully, confirm your form. Before confirming the form, please check all the details and you will not be edit or change. And last date of completion of form is July 21st. So before that, you should register and fill up your form for the UIPS Punjab, and deposit free through online mode only. And last day it is also the July 21st, 2026. And there is special note for the candidates who are seeking admission under the sports category shall require to submit the hard copy of admission form along with certificates and documents जो भी आपका relevant वगैरह documents है वो सब लेके आप gymnasium building Jawaharlal Nehru Complex PU Chandigarh you have to reach there and submit your sports documents there. And these are about the all details about your form fill up regarding the admission in M.Pharm course. Now going for the seats, number of seats. So number of seats, there are two type of seats for the Punjab University. One is the M.Pharma in the pharmaceutical analysis and quality assurance, that is the self-financed course. And the seats are 15 plus 2 NRI and 4 foreign nationals. Duration is of course 2 years and admission to all M.Pharm courses made on the basis of combined merit calculated from aggregated marks obtained in B.Pharm 4-year course, that is the 30% weightage, and GPAT score, that is the 70% weightage. So as I told that merit list will be provided by them on basis of the merit score, and that will be contained of your 30% weightage from your B.Pharm 4 years aggregate, and GPAT score will be 70% weightage. So for the self-finance course, if you are GPAT qualified also, you will not be provided with the government aided fellowship. Self-finance course में आपको जो भी आप अगर GPAT qualified भी हुए तो आपको government aided जो भी fellowship है qualify करने का GPAT 12,400 per month वो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है, आपको पूरा मतलब self finance is totally from totally up to you. So that is the self-finance course. And for the regular course, this is the regular course in pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutics, pharmacology and pharmacognosy. For the regular course, if you are GPAT qualified, you will be provided with the fellowship of 12,400 per month. And the category A and the category B is there, and 2 NRI and foreign national is 3. NRI number of seat is 1 and foreign national seats are 3. So for the category A, that is the students of the Punjab University, means the students who have completed their B.Pharm from UIPS Punjab University. So their number of seats is 8, and the category B, that is other state seat, is 2. So that is not to be worried, because if there are less candidates in category A, the seats will be transferred into category B. If there are less number of students in category B, the seats will be transferred in category A. So this is the seat matrix and duration is 2 years. Again, the criteria for the admission is same: 30% marks, 30% weightage on the B.Pharm aggregated marks, and 70% weightage in the GPAT score. Now, for seeing the fees of your courses, that is, this is the Bachelor of Pharmacy course in UIPS Punjab. You can see the details here. And for the Master of Pharmacy in the Pharmaceutical Analysis course, the Self-Finance course, it is the Pharmaceutical Analysis and the Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance, both are self-financed course. And the fees for the pharmaceutical analysis is 1,95,230 rupees per annum for Indians, and this is for the NRI students, and 55% marks in B.Pharm from PCI approved institution or universities with GPAT qualifying marks. And admission to M.Pharm courses made on the basis of combined merit calculated from the aggregate marks obtained in B.Pharm 4-year course, 30% weightage, and GPAT score 70% weightage. The non-GPAT candidates will also be considered only if the seats remain vacant after admitting all GPAT qualified candidates. So this is also one point. And similarly, all is same for the pharmaceutical quality assurance self-finance course. Fees is also same like the pharmaceutical analysis course. So for the Master of Pharmacy in regular course, the pharmaceutical chemistry, the pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy and pharmacology all are having the same fee structure, that is 47,775 rupees for the Indian students per annum. And this is the seat matrix as I told, and similar the scores are also required. And category A is the Punjab University candidates, and category B is the candidates from institute of other than Punjab University, means any other university of the country rather than Punjab University. And there is also the subject to availability of seats in the PhD of pharmacy. 5 years is the duration, and this is the fees. So this is all about today's video. If you have any kind of doubt, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll be there for you to reply, and do complete your form filling before the July 21st. Okay, thank you everyone.